Deal of the day, unveiling its meaning in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that you might encounter in shopping contexts. Deal of the day. This phrase is not just about finding a bargain but also a great way to understand cultural nuances in English-speaking countries. Stay tuned as we unravel its meaning and usage. Deal of the day is a marketing phrase used primarily in retail and online shopping. It refers to a significant discount or a special offer available for only one day. This tactic is used by retailers to attract customers with the promise of a substantial one-time bargain. The phrase implies urgency and exclusivity, encouraging shoppers to make quick decisions. Understanding deal of the day also involves understanding the shopping culture in English-speaking countries. These deals are common during holiday seasons like Christmas or Black Friday, symbolizing the bustling retail environment. They create a sense of excitement and urgency among shoppers, often leading to a surge in sales for businesses. Let's look at how deal of the day is used in everyday language. 1. I got these headphones as the deal of the day, and they were half off. Shows personal gain from the deal. 2. Have you checked out the deal of the day? It's a fantastic offer on kitchen appliances, suggesting someone to look at the deal. 3. The store's deal of the day attracted a lot of customers, describing the effect of the deal on business. Similar phrases include today's special, one-day sale, flash sale. These variations carry a similar meaning but might have slight differences in context or urgency. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, deal of the day, and its significance in English-speaking shopping culture. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's also about the context and culture they reflect. Happy learning and see you in our next video.